In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can add chapters in your YouTube videos. And when you add chapters in your videos, it is going to help your viewers go to any part of your video, which is very helpful, especially if your videos are very long. And I'm going to show you a manual way to add chapters and also an automatic way to add chapters to your videos. Okay, I'm going to share my screen and we can get started. So this is an example of chapters of YouTube chapters. You see, when we hover over this area, we have a chapter which is manage a Facebook group. And when we go to the next chapter, you see manage a page. Another chapter, we have different chapters, and viewers can easily see what is in the next chapter, and they can go back or forward depending on what they want to learn. And if you come here, you see when it said intro, when you click on it, you see these are all the chapters that are in the video. And viewers can easily scroll through and find what is the most helpful or what they need. And to get started, we are going to start with the manual process. And when you come to the video, let me just open this one. When you just upload your video, you write your title and description. In the description of your video, that is where you are going to add chapters. And the way to add chapters is you just have to know all the key points in the video. For example, if in this video I talk about maybe step 1 is maybe sign up or create a channel on YouTube, in my description I'm going to write the name of the first chapter, which is going to be maybe create a new channel. And right here I'm going to add the first chapter. The first chapter has to start with 00200. This is going to tell YouTube this is the beginning of your chapters. And in most cases, the first timestamp is going to be an intro. So I can rename this to intro, meaning from 0 seconds, intro have started. And maybe from 20 seconds, maybe my intro is 20 seconds, so I will write 20 seconds, and the next thing after intro is going to be create a new channel. Then I'm going to write it here, and maybe it take 40 seconds. So the next chapter is going to be from 1 minute exactly, and it is going to be maybe update the channel. You get the point. So this is how you add chapters to your videos manually. It has to start with 0 timestamp, and then maybe your intro starts in the beginning. And if your intro is 20 seconds, then it starts from here and it ends at 20 seconds. And what started after the intro? Maybe this is the first key point I spoke about in the video, so I added it. And this key point maybe lasted for 40 seconds. If it lasts for 40 seconds, it means the next key point have started after 60 seconds, which is exactly 1 minute. And I'm going to write it here. And this is exactly how I'm going to keep adding all the chapters with timestamp. And when I finish adding all the chapters with timestamps, I click on save and save my video. And that is it. You are going to have chapters added to this video. I'm not going to save this change because this video is live, so I'm going to remove it, and then I'm going to show you the automatic way to add chapters to your video. And let's come back to one of the videos. This exact video that we have, you see the video already has chapters in it, but this video doesn't have any timestamp in the description. So we are going to edit the video so that I am going to show you exactly how it works. So when you upload a video, this is the edit page. This is how you add titles and everything. And if we scroll down to the description box, this is the description. You see there are no any timestamp in the description. But how it happens is if you scroll down here, you see automatic chapters. You just need to make sure this is selected. Allow automatic chapters and key moment. When this is selected, and make sure your video is in the education category, right here under education, you save your video. YouTube are going to automatically place chapters in the video. They might not place the chapters immediately as soon as you publish the video. It might take 1 or 2 days. Sometimes it can take up to a week before they add the automatic chapters in your videos. But in most cases, if you allow automatic chapters, they are going to add it. If YouTube found key moment in the video that is a good point to add chapters, you are going to do it. And this is very helpful if you have maybe a 1 hour long video and you don't really want to sit down and take note of all the minutes that you are going to add a timestamp, then you can just allow YouTube to do this thing. But if it is really important for you to have these exact chapters in specific places, then you are going to have to do it manually. And these are the 2 ways that you can add chapters to your videos. If you want to learn more about how I edit my videos with CapCut, even though I am recording with my mobile phone, but my videos look good, you can watch this next video. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.